Here we come to the elevator at Saigon Houston Plaza in Houston, Texas. It's a Schindler 330A, just like the one at Kim's Son. It's a lot more quieter, so I don't have to worry about talking loudly over the music. And I think I hear the elevator coming down already. Someone might be in it. Oh good, no one's in it. I thought someone was gonna get off. Two. Back down to one. Okay, let's go ahead and exit and end the video from here. There it goes, and that's it.